What's the meaning of capriciously? Capriciously. Capriciously.
Capriciously. Capriciously. Capriciously refers to behaving in an impulsive and unpredictable manner, without any logical or rational thought. When someone acts capriciously, their decisions and actions may seem erratic and whimsical. Such behavior can lead to unpredictable outcomes and uncertainty. It is often associated with impulsiveness and a lack of consideration for the consequences of one's actions. When acting capriciously, individuals may make sudden, unexpected changes or choices that are largely driven by emotion rather than reason. This can sometimes lead to unforeseen consequences and negative outcomes.